If you're a landlord in Virginia, your habitability obligations are governed by the Virginia Residential Landlord and Tenant Act, found in Virginia Code Title 55.1, Chapter 12. Virginia follows a fairly structured approach to habitability, and knowing the specifics can save you from costly legal disputes. Under Virginia law, landlords must comply with all applicable building and housing codes that materially affect health and safety. You're required to make all repairs needed to keep the property in a fit and habitable condition, maintain electrical, plumbing, heating, cooling, and ventilation systems, provide running water and reasonable amounts of hot water, and keep common areas clean and structurally safe. Here's something important about Virginia. The law specifically addresses mold. If there's a visible mold condition in the property that was not caused by the tenant, the landlord is responsible for remediation. This became a significant issue in Virginia case law, and the legislature responded by incorporating mold provisions directly into the statute. Virginia also requires landlords to maintain working smoke alarms on every level of the dwelling and ensure carbon monoxide detectors are installed where required by the building code. These aren't optional. Failure to comply creates direct statutory liability. When it comes to tenant remedies, Virginia has a structured process. Tenants must provide written notice of the habitability issue. The landlord then has 21 days to begin repairs, or 14 days for serious issues. If the landlord fails to act, the tenant may pursue remedies including rent escrow, where the tenant pays rent to the court instead of the landlord until the issue is fixed. One key distinction in Virginia: tenants generally cannot use rent withholding outside of the court escrow process. So the remedy is available, but it has to go through proper legal channels, which offers landlords some procedural protection. Virginia also has strong anti-retaliation provisions. You cannot increase rent, decrease,